in the morning light. Feel the rhythm in your soul. Hear the drums of freedom beating. Let the righteous spirit roll. From the hills to every shoreline, voices singing strong and free. Every heart's a burning lantern, shining truth for all to see. No chains can hold the fire, no storm can stop the sun. Stand tall in every trial, the fight for love's begun. Rise up, let the music take you higher. Roots strong, hearts long, burning like a fire. From the streets to the mountains, hear the people say, freedom is the anthem we sing today. So lift your voice to the sky tonight. Reggae rhythm guide the light. One love rising strong and bright. Freedom song in the morning light. Children of the island wind, dancing under golden skies. Every step our earth and nation, every dream will rise. Babylon may build the walls, but truth will break the stone. When the people sing together, no one stands alone. Hold tight to the vision, let courage guide the way. Through the darkest valley, the dawn will find its day. Rise up, let the music take you higher. Roots strong, hearts long, burning like a fire. From the streets to the mountains, hear the people say, freedom is the anthem we sing today. Let the bassline roll like thunder through the night. Let the drums of justice echo with the light. From Kingston town to every distant shore, one love, one truth forevermore. Voices of the warriors singing through the years, turning pain to power, turning hope from tears. Plant the seeds of unity in every broken land. Watch them grow like forests when the people take a stand. Rise up, let the music take you higher. Roots strong, hearts long, burning like a fire. From the streets to the mountains, hear the people say, freedom is the anthem we sing today. So lift your voice to the sky tonight. Let the reggae rhythm guide the light. One love rising strong and bright. Freedom song in the morning light. Golden light spreading across the sky. Hear the elders chanting wisdom in the breeze. Songs of freedom floating through the trees. Every step we take is a brand new start. Roots of courage growing in the heart. Down in the streets where the people stand, holding hope like a torch in their hand. No more fear when the truth is near. Voices loud so the world can hear. Through the struggle we learn to be strong, turning pain into a freedom song. Nature river keep flowing through the valley wide, carrying dreams like the ocean tide. Children laughing in the open air, future shining everywhere. From the mountain peak to the city floor, unity knocking at every door. Extra vines to the morning skies, guiding the path with a peaceful light. Ancient rhythm in the heartbeat drum, calling the people to overcome. When the truth and the love combine, freedom grows like a sacred vine. So raise your hands to the morning sky. Let the spirit of the music fly. Every nation hear the call today. Let the light show the way. From the island breeze to the desert sand, one love rising across the land. Hear the lion roar the midnight sound, justice marching all around. Chains will break and the walls will fall, freedom's voice will conquer all. Stand together, hearts aligned, breathe strength for all mankind. From the streets to the mountains, hear the people say, freedom is the anthem we sing today. Liberty loves today. Children of the island wind, dancing under golden skies. Every step a revolution, every dream will rise. Babylon may build the walls, but truth will break the stone. When the people sing together, no one stands alone. Hold tight to the vision, let courage guide the way. Through the darkest valley, the dawn will find its day. Rise up, let the music take you higher. Roots strong, hearts long, burning like a fire. From the streets to the mountains, hear the people say, freedom is the anthem we sing today. Let the bassline roll like thunder through the night. Let the drums of justice echo with the light. From Kingston town to every distant shore, one love, one truth for us. Voices of the warriors singing through the years, turning pain to power, turning hope from tears. Plant the seeds of unity in every broken land. Watch them grow like forests when the people take a stand.